Assalamu alaikum viewers. From behalf of you live team, I am here. Today's our topic is history of League of Nations. The League of Nations, abbreviated as LN or LON, was the first worldwide intergovernmental organization whose principal mission was to maintain world peace. It was founded on the 10th January 1920 following the Paris Peace Conference that ended the First World War in 1919. US President Woodrow Wilson won the Nobel Peace Prize for his role as the leading architect of the League. The organization's primary goal, as stated in its convent, included preventing was war through the collective security and disarmament and setting international disputes through negotiation and arbitration. Other issues is this in this the related treaties including labor conditions, just treatment of native inhabitants, humans and drug trafficking, the arms trade, global health, prisoners of war and protection of the minorities in Europe. The Covenant of the League of Nations was signed on 28 June 1919 as a part first of the Treaty of the Versailles, as in it becomes effective together with the rest of the treaty on 10 January 1920. The first meeting of the Council of the League took place on 16 January 2020, and the first meeting of Assembly of the League took place on 15 November 1920. The diplomatic philosophy behind the League represented a fundamental shift from the preceding 100 years. The League lacked its own armed force and dependence on the victorious First World War alliances to enforce its resolution, keep to its enforced action, or provided an army when needed. The great powers were often reluctant to do so. Sanction could hurt League members, so they were reluctant to comply with them. During the Second Italo-Ambassadorian War, when the League accused Italian soldiers of targeting and Red Cross medical tents, Benito Mussolini responds that the League was well when sparrows shout, but no good at all when eagles fall out. At its greatest extent, from the 28th September 1934 to 23rd February 1935, it had 58 members. After some notable successors and some early failures in the 1920s, the League ultimately proved incapable of preventing aggression tried by the Axis power in the 1930s. The credibility of the organization was weakened by the fact that the United States never joined the League, and the Soviet Union joined late and was soon expelled after invading Finland. Germany withdrew from the League, as did Japan, Italy, Spain, and others. The onset of the Second World War showed that the League had failed its primary purpose, which was to prevent any future world war. The League latest for 26 years, and United Nations replaced it after the end of the Second World War, and inherited several agencies and organizations founded by the League. Origin and background of the League of Nations. The concept of the peaceful community of the nation had been proposed as far back as 1795, when the Immanuel Kant Perpetual Peace, a philosophical sketch outlined the idea of the League of Nations to control conflict and promote peace between the states. Kant argued for the establishment of a peaceful world community, not in a sense of the global government, but in hope that each state would declare itself a free state that respected its citizens and welcome foreign visitors as fellow rational beings, thus promoting peaceful societies. Worldwide international cooperation to promote collective security originate in the concert of Europeans that developed after the Napoleonic War in the 19th century in an attempt to maintain the status quo between the European states and so worldwide war. This period also saw the development of international law, with the first Vienna Convention establishing laws dealing with the humanitarian relief during wartime, and the International Hague Convention of 1899 and 1907 governing rules of war that and the peaceful settlement of the international disputes. As historian William H. Herbert and Ronald E. Polsky point out there. Theodore Roosevelt was the first American president to call for an international league at the acceptance for his Nobel Prize. Roosevelt said, it would be a masterstroke if those great powers hostily bent on a peace would form a league of peace. The forerunner of the League of Nations, the Interparliamentary Union was formed by the activists William Randall Cramer and the Frederick Passy in the 1889. The IPU was founded with the international scope, with a third of the member of the parliaments serving as a member of the IPU by 1914. Its fundamental aims were to enforce governmental to solve the international disputes by peaceful means. Annual conferences were established to help government refine the process of international arbitration. Its structure was designed as a council headed by a president, which would later be reflected in the structure of the league.